Hey, explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can level up your interactions with AI. It's all about achieving clear intent through your prompts. Buckle up, because we're about to decode the secret sauce. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter. Clear intent means exactly what it sounds like, starting with crystal clear and direct prompts. We're talking about using simple questions or statements that lead to precise answers. Imagine asking your AI friend a question like, "Tell me about the universe." It's a bit vague, right? Now, contrast that with, "Explain the Big Bang Theory in simple terms." Boom! Clear intent. But wait, I'm not leaving you hanging. Here are 2 prompts you can try right now. They're also in the video description for your convenience. Prompt 1. Describe the process of cellular respiration. Can't get clearer than that, right? This is perfect for diving straight into a specific topic. Prompt 2. List 3 benefits of mindfulness meditation. We're aiming for focused responses here, and this prompt nails it. Remember, you can experiment with these prompts and see how crisp and focused your AI responses become. Here is the response I got for your reference. Whether you're learning, researching, or just curious, these examples will help you grasp the power of clear intent. Oh, and don't forget, I've included these example prompts in the video description below. So, you can refer back to them whenever you're ready to sharpen your prompt game. There you have it, fellow learners. Mastering prompt clarity is your ticket to unlocking more meaningful conversations with AI. Keep your questions straightforward, and you'll be amazed by the precision of your responses. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and keep that clear intent shining through. This is Guru, signing off until our next exploration.